Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Tacoma windshield wipers. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your Tacoma. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver. Begin by lifting the wiper arm gently away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Now, locate the small tab on the wiper blade connector where it attaches to the arm. With the wiper arm held securely, use your flathead screwdriver to press down on the small tab you just located. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It might require a little force. Always keep a hand on the wiper arm to prevent it from accidentally falling and cracking your windshield. Observe how the old blade was oriented. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's securely attached. Carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your Tacoma's wipers to test their operation. Ensure they move smoothly and clear the windshield effectively without streaking. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, cracking, or reduced performance. For other great deals, and to check out the Owala water bottle, please see the link in the description below. Keeping your wipers in top condition is crucial for clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.